Think you know space? These 10 facts will completely blow your mind. Number 1. Space is completely silent. There's no atmosphere, so sound can't travel. Astronauts communicate using radio waves instead. Number 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Number 3. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized piece would weigh 1 billion tons on Earth. Number 4. The Moon is drifting away from Earth at 3.8 centimeters per year. This will eventually impact solar eclipses. Number 5. There's a massive cloud of alcohol floating in space near Sagittarius. It's 1,000 times the diameter of our solar system. Number 6. Saturn could float on water. It's mostly gas and so light that it would float in a giant bathtub. Number 7. Earth's atmosphere extends beyond the Moon. The geocorona stretches over 630,000 kilometers into space. Number 8. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years wide, but the actual universe might be infinitely large. Number 9. The Sun makes up 99.86% of our solar system's mass. All planets, moons, and asteroids are just a tiny fraction. Number 10. You age slightly slower in space. Astronauts on the ISS age milliseconds slower due to Einstein's time dilation. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments.